Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making a pizza, and before you make the pizza, make sure the oven is at 400 degrees. And so first, I'm going to put my cooking spray on, so. Next, gotta put the dough on. The dough is sticking. The dough is sticking! Now the dough is all messed up. Great, awesome, brilliant, amazing. This is a lot of work just to get one pizza on the pan. So just gotta put the tomato sauce on. Spread it out.
Nick Minute.
I think that should be good. Next we're gonna put the cheese on. So, yeah, I think I put a little bit too much cheese on that part, but whatever. I can spread that out. All right, next toppings. So just gotta take some pepperoni and just gotta do this. These. I'm doing accents again because I cannot just not do accents for one day. Now, gotta put this in the oven. Alright, now we wait to 8 to 10 minutes. But first we're gonna wait 8 minutes and wait 2 extra minutes to see if it is fully cooked. Alright guys, so the pizza is done. Had to wait a few minutes for it to cook more. And also had to wait a couple minutes to make sure it's cooled down. And yeah, let's slice into it. Yum. And you can make a pizza at home too.